Me? What? Audience, what are you doing staring at the rain and staring at George? Go away, Harrison. Nah, George, get the camera. Don't swear in my video. Stop it! Harrison, you're mugging up my video.
Nothing to see here, people. Beep.
Oi! Give me, I want to do an intro.
What an intro! Jellyfish attack!
The intro, darkness, then no darkness, just redness, then whiteness. Nah! Yo, my iPod is gonna be wet. It's Tyler.
No, trying to bum me. Yeah.
Pretty awesome, isn't it? That's the usual break here. George, get the camera. Yo, I'm in the rain. My hair is dodgy. My hair is really dodgy. I just had English and I had to pretend that I'm a granny. Awkward, ain't it?
Stop! Okay, stop now! Stop now!
This is raining! It's raining! Whoa! Go and get your tie. This is so awesome. This is so awesome. George, say hi.
Hello, people.
Oh my God.
How do you do, people?
We're not doing a show about you. We're doing a show about me. Partly about George as well. I'm not filming you, miss. I'm not. I'm filming George and me. George!
Stop it! Just stop it! Just stop it!
Do something funny so I can post it to Toby. Wrong, really wrong. Oh! That failed much. Oh! What a takedown! George, are you alright?
Yeah, fine!
He's usually fine. Oh, I need to rub the lens. Your eye is being washed away. Harrison, stop being in the camera. Hello, George. Get the camera and film me.
Harrison, seriously.
Harrison, go away. Not funny. He's not even funny. Let's not film Sam. Let's not film them. Let's not film this White House's room. Let's go there. I'm awkward today. I'm really awkward today. I'm usually awkward. George, let's do a film about you. Let's do a film about George. Idiot. Stop doing an outro. You want to headbutt an outro. Oh, George has been injured. Oh well. Do a headbutt.
Headbutt what?
Intro of headbutt.
Headbutt.
No, you're meant to headbutt, you idiot.
Ooh.
Yeah, like this. That was an intro. It's
Bum indoors.
I should record that. Do it again. I want to record it.
What for?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna fall.
I'll do it. Shall I help him?
Yeah.
No, don't help me, Harrison.
You lost your tie. Okay, that will be it for today. Let's hear George singing. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Okay, that will be it for today. Okay.
Your face is not on the camera.
No, my face is on the camera now.
It's on the camera now. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do an outro of darkness, then redness, then whiteness. There was no whiteness, was there?
There was no whiteness, no.
Or darkness. There was just redness.
Redness. Whiteness! There was whiteness!
There was whiteness!
Ready?
The
Ready, and
the outro
go!
of darkness.
What? And you're out of the darkness!
What? Let's do a headbutt outro. Again. See ya.